Welcome to our channel! Today we make sensory bottles. Sensory bottles are very useful for relaxing when we are a little bit nervous or sad. If you want to know how to make these 5 sensory bottles inspired in our series, stay tuned. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the first bottle, we were inspired by Gato Rainbow. The water is yellow and it has pom-poms with the colors of the rainbow, like his tail, see? To make it, we will need an empty bottle with no labels, water, colored pipe cleaners, yellow food coloring, and a hot glue gun to close it later. Let's begin! Cut small pieces of pipe cleaners of all colors. You can also use pom-poms, but if you don't have them, this is a very good option. Put them carefully inside the bottle. How are you doing, Gato Rainbow? It's not easy to put the pom-poms in the bottle, right? But it's looking great. And now, pour water until the bottle is completely filled. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring and close it with your glue gun so that the water doesn't come out. And there it is! A beautiful sensory bottle that reminds us of our friend Gato Rainbow. What do you think? Do you like it? For our second bottle, we were inspired by Gata Moon. This is purple and we can see rice and glitter inside. It looks a lot like Gata Moon's tail. To make this bottle, we will need water, blue and red food coloring, rice, and glitter. First, fill your bottle with water, leaving a little bit of extra space so that it doesn't come out when we throw in the rice later. Good job, Gata Moon! Carefully! Then, put some drops of blue food coloring and a few drops of red. And when they mix, they make purple. Put the rays inside the bottle with a paper funnel. And finally, add the glitter. Close it well with glue. And we have our Gata Moon sensory bottle. How did it turn out, Gata Moon? Oh, you also dropped rice on the floor. It's okay. The bottle looks amazing. For the third bottle, we were inspired by Gato Rainbow's favorite stuffed animal, the sardine. We will need water, red food coloring, pink water beads, pink pipe cleaners, and glitter. Pour the water into the bottle and add a few drops of red. Shake it so that it dilutes well. Now throw in the pink water beads, cut pieces of pipe cleaner, and put them into your bottle. And finally, add the glitter. And that's it! Look at this! It's such a cool bottle! Guys, how is it going? But guys, what are you doing? The bottle has to remind us of the sardine, not have the real one inside. We continue with the fourth bottle. This one is inspired by the snow. They will love it. Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon love the snow so much, as we saw in the snow episode. We're just going to need water, blue water beads, and glitter. After pouring the water, carefully throw in the water beads. And then add lots of glitter so that our bottle shines like the snow. And it's that easy! It's done! What do you think, guys? I can see you like it! And now let's make our last bottle. We love this one because it has Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's colors, but they never mix. Look at how simple it is to do it. We need water, red and blue food coloring, and a little bit of olive oil. Pour water inside until it reaches the middle of the bottle. Put a few drops of red and blue food coloring to turn it purple. And now we have Gata Moon's half. And now for Gato Rainbow, pour oil until completely filling the bottle. And there it is! Oil and water never mix, so now we have a really cool bottle. No guys, I told you they never mix. It's cool, right? We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and the 5 sensory bottles we showed you today. Leave us in the comments which one has been your favorite. And if you want to continue watching these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of them. Bye!